Shocking testimony to Congress about thousands of unidentified drones over the U.S. And of course, there are calls for disclosure. They're saying, stop hiding the truth. The world needs to know. Luis Elizondo, the former head of the Defense Department's Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program, and other witnesses testified before Congress in November that an alleged government group is hiding the facts that we are not alone in the universe. Shocking testimony to Congress about thousands of unidentified drones in the U.S. Stop hiding the truth, the world needs to know, they said. A former U.S. Pentagon official is making a shocking revelation about unidentified drones flying over American territory. Testimonies and numerous reports of unidentified flying objects, UFOs, have been circulating across the country amid a national alert. Luis Elizondo, the former head of Defense Department's Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program, and others testified before Congress that a supposed government group is hiding the facts that we are not alone in the world. I believe that we as Americans can handle the truth, he said. And I also believe that the world deserves the truth, Elizondo said, calling on Congress to enact legislation to protect whistleblowers who are afraid to come forward. The hearing was part of a broader effort by lawmakers to investigate UFOs, or unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, and determine whether elements within the government are illegally withholding information from Congress. Meanwhile, UFOs have been reported in every U.S. state according to National Center for UFO Reports. A military observer reported that he was camping alone in Mountain Center, California in October, when suddenly all the natural sounds associated with outdoors died out and the entire area lit up brighter than the brightest full moon he had ever seen, according to the UFO Reports website. Fox News reports. The man said he saw a bright white round light that was about 30 feet long and hovered at treetop level. He added that the light remained completely still and silent, did not emit heat, and looked like a large helicopter. Several pilots also reported seeing 3 or 4 UFOs in the sky over Oregon flying at different altitudes just a few weeks ago, KPTV reported. The pilots reported seeing strange and circular lights streaking through the night, and a United Airlines pilot contacted the control tower to report such an incident over western Oregon. In April 2022, a witness said she noticed a light in the sky over a reservoir in Connecticut, believing it to be a potential unidentified aerial phenomena, according to the News Nation. I was always watching the sky, so I wonder if it was a plane, the woman said. But the way it was moving, there was no way it was a plane, she added. And while recent reports of drones or mysterious aircraft are not exactly UFO sightings, they have raised concerns and even attracted the attention of the FBI, sparking discussions about the possibility of other unidentified flying objects in the sky. The FBI, New York State Police, and the Office of Homeland Security and Preparedness are asking the public to come forward with any information regarding recent sightings of possible drones flying in various areas along the Raritan River. The New Jersey Federal Aviation Administration has issued temporary flight restrictions until January 17, 2025, banning drone flights over parts of the region. However, National Security Council spokesman John Kirby recently told Fox News that the mysterious drones flying over the country are in fact legal. The White House, in coordination with the FBI and state and local officials, has reviewed about 5,000 drone sightings, and their analysis concludes that these drones are perfectly legal and are used for commercial and other purposes, Kirby said. A recent statement from the Department of Homeland Security, the FBI, the Federal Aviation Administration, and the Department of Defense states that drones do not pose a threat to national security. Please leave your comments about this, and thank you for your support. Support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.